you guys doing? I would like to show you today a couple of my pipes. Actually, two of my first pipes. And what I have going on is a little project of restoring the stem. And I live in a condo, so obviously I don't have a garage or a basement, so I don't have the space, to set up shop and put one of those buffing wheels. So I'm gonna show you the photos later on, or at the end, of the condition of the pipes. They were a little bit neglected by myself. So the first one is it's a Stanwell 45 vintage pipe, and as you will see on the photos, the stem was green, was tarnished, was oxidized. So this is the end result, after I work on it and I restore it. As I mentioned, I don't have a buffing wheel, so the finish is not really glossy. I cannot just achieve that by hand, but I think it's a very decent job. And this is the other one. I'm really pleased with the result. So, see you guys later.